Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the alarm volume on your iPhone. Now, if your alarm goes off and you can barely hear it, or it doesn't wake you up, or it's too loud and it essentially wakes everybody up or startles you, you can always fine tune it by turning it up or down. I'll show you how to do it. On your iPhone, first just tap on the clock app. From here, tap on Alarms at the bottom left. Tap on Plus at the top right. Make sure to set an alarm. Let's say, in this case, I want an alarm to be for 6 a.m. Tap on Sound and select which sound you want, essentially when that alarm goes off. Radial is the default, but you can choose any other one that you want as well. When you're ready to go, you can hit the back arrow and then hit the check at the top right. We've set that alarm. Now let's change the volume. Exit out of the clock app and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics. And now the volume for ringtone and alerts is included for basically all of your alarms. So this is the volume slider that will control your alarms. If you swipe down from the top right, this volume slider changes the volume of things like music or YouTube videos that you're watching. However, for ringtones, alerts, and alarms, you can turn this all the way up if you wanted to. Or if you want to decrease it, you can turn it all the way down to be quiet. After you've done that, open up the clock app and again, tap on your alarm, tap on sound, and then tap on your sound. Essentially just check to see if that is a good sound or a good volume for you. And then you can set that slider either to increase it or decrease it, depending on your preference. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it.